Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to create a new pop-up screen in AVEVA InTouch HMI or OMI SCADA systems. SCADA pop-up page is a graphical user interface used within the SCADA system. It is smaller secondary window that temporarily appears on the top of the main SCADA system screens. Pop-up screen, also called as faceplates, detail screens, dialog boxes, in-place windows. To create a new pop-up, either you can go to the application, from there you can find InTouch Application Manager, or you can directly click Windows Maker. In my case, I am double click that AVEVA Application Manager. Once the pop-up open, I will select the particular project and click here Application Manager. Once you click the Application Manager, it will open a new window called Pages. From here you can select the pages which one you need to open. Select the windows to open and double click that windows. It will open the window maker InTouch HMI. Okay, from there I can select, you can find the new project is open. From there click a new window and you can select native window and it will be appear a new window name called window-_005. From this application, in the right hand side you can find the properties such as window 005, the name, window type, location, size, title bar, frame style, close button, size control and template. So once you open this window 005, you can check all the properties in the right side. Double click our existing pop-up page and you need to make the same pop-up page now. So what you will do, you will adjust the size first. For the size I will put here 780 and 774. So you can see a new pop-up at the top. From there you need to first select the size control because you need to move the size, adjust as per your convenient, and also you need to make a relocation please. See, already our new pop-up, our existing pop-up which we created earlier, it is there in the down. So I need to adjust that which one we created new one. So from there just select the window type called pop-up and location, change the location. See, I am giving 1050, it's moving. And if you give the y-axis, it will move downside. Now currently it is having the existing one 4. I am just entering like 1000. See, it will come near to that same pop-up. Either you can drag or drop, like you can move directly from the pop-up, select the pop-up curve and you can select. See, it will be moved directly. So I will keep in the right. So we are going to make the same pop-up in the right hand a new windows which we created now. We need to make a pop-up here. And you can find all the properties of the screen or the window in the right hand side usually in the new AVEVA HMI. But in the old one you cannot find in the right side. You need to once you select, it will come downside the properties. See, you can here adjust, either you can close directly from the size control. Otherwise, if you need to be close, so you can add or modify the properties based on your requirement, like size control and also the template, and also you can change the color from here directly. See, here we have a white color background. So I am going to change the Windows color. Either you can enter the value directly or you can browse. You have a button, you can browse the color dialog, and from here you can select your pop-up screen background color. So I am going to change the color to the same as existing 114, 114, 114. So it will come as a gray color. So we make the background color now. After that, just go to the animation from in the properties view. In the view, you can find either you need to make a snap to grid, or you can make a normal, because this one just it will give you some slide like to adjust the exact property. You can utilize that purpose, otherwise you don't need to use this any property in the view. Now in our case I need to be add similar to the same pop-up, no? So first I need to be add the name for the text. For that you have option in the home, you can find after the button you have called text, drag and drop the text, or click select there and insert here, like it will become directly. Once you click the text and if you enter here, you can modify the text name directly. So after you entered, you can use the same size, no, for the old one. So you can already the width is 197 and the height is 21. So you can select and you can see here the our new one is 23. So I just entered here 21. It will come as the same size of existing. After that I need to create this two buttons. Either I can utilize the button symbol and I can drag and drop. Otherwise, you can go to wizard. From the wizard, you can find symbol factory. In the symbol factory, you have lot of symbols here. See here, and you can utilize if you have any symbols. If you know to utilize the same like a button, you can use like example textures or any other button. If this is our choice. So either you can import the symbols and you can utilize as well, and also you can utilize the same symbols. You can, if you find here, you can utilize in the symbol factory, or you can use directly from the button itself. See, if I use the texture, it will come same like a wall, because this is like a same like tiles or wall symbol. See, from here I used the bitmap before. So if we need to use, just see, and also in the symbol factory, smart symbol factory, you can find the symbol as well. And also if you go for the graphics also, you can find the orchestra symbols actually. See, if I click the graphics, you can find very beautiful 3D pictures, and this one be orchestra symbols, galaxy. In the, it will be browsed from the Galaxy browser, and you can find all the symbols here. But the only I am using now demo, so I don't have more symbols in the orchestra symbols. If you are using the original license, you can browse lot of symbols with 3D animation, 3D as well, and it will be very good pictures. See, you can find here in the buttons, you can find very good buttons, and also you can find clocks, and also you can find compressors, fans, pumps, lot of symbols here. So this is default, some default symbols only. But when you are using the original license for the project, you can find lot of symbols here, wizards here. See here, now I am selecting one of the button here. See here, you have a very beautiful selector switch, and also you have buttons here. And as per your project convenient, you can utilize. For my case, I am going to utilize this, this switch like auto, off, and manual. For that, if I need to use, I am planning to use again the button itself from the upside for auto and manual. So select the, or you can select either button, or you can select the rectangle symbol as well. See, now I just copied and paste the rectangle symbol, and for that, once I selected, the default color will come, and you have to change the color. See, in this, if you select that one, double click, and you can find the color. There is basic, web, and professional. In the web, it will come as default. So you can find some colored, which is usually regularly we are using this color, no, that one. For the basics, you can find all the basic colors. And once I select the color, you can copy paste the same color for the other one as well, because otherwise it will be conflict. So I will use the same, and once I selected the color, You just double click, or in the properties you can find all the properties, example rectangle, height, where is the location and everything. Even you can, I told before, you can change with the properties as well. Once we selected that one, and I will enter the text. Either you can select the text and drag there, otherwise you double click and enter the text directly. And I am giving the name called auto. And also I change the color, background color to black, because you have option here in the format, same like Word or how you are using in the Microsoft softwares. And here I just copy and paste to other one and right click that one and change to substitute strings. From there you can change the naming. From there, here I am planning to give the name called manual. So I will give MAN, manual. And just increase the size of the switch, selector switch, and you can change the size by dragging itself. Otherwise, if you have in the properties, you can change directly the size as well. And I will select the rectangle symbol. See, you have here line, style, polygon, rectangle. So I will select the rectangle and I will keep in the selector switch button area. And from the background, just I will go to back, send to, I will just right click and send to back, because I need to keep this one in the back. After we select this one, you can find this color is little bit differ. So you need to be select the background color. Before that, we need to adjust the selector switch area. Once you selected, you can find the background area is little bit different. No? So for that, I need to change the color again. For just click and you have upside for color. Select the background color and change as per your convenient. I am just giving a little bit dark gray. Once I enter the color, you can find it looks little bit okay. So I am copy paste the same rectangle symbol, and I am going to use this one for status signals. This is just for our demo how to create a pop-up page. Okay, so for that we already created the buttons, and I am just adding the now for these status symbols. You can utilize the status symbol as per your convenient. Okay, you can use either round button, not button, this is like a LED. For that I will just going to select some graphics. So if I told before, either you can select from graphics, wizard or symbol factory, no issue for us. Even you can import the symbols. Here I am just selecting, checking the symbols. Here see we have a lot of symbols in the symbol factory, not symbol factory, in the Galaxy browser. You can select either the LED lamps. See here, sorry, LED buttons, and also you have some indicators here. If you need, you can select this type of indicator as well, which is having label plus the color like this. And you can or you can go to the symbol, you can find some other options as well. If you not find, you can create your own symbol and you can import directly also. If you used in the other projects, you can import the symbol either by bit image or JPG image, and you can directly utilize in the project. Before I utilize the other pop-up which we shown here, I taken from the other project and I used here as an image file. So this is our option how you need to be utilized. And or otherwise you can check the rectangle symbol or circle, polygon, any symbol. See here you have the lights, you can utilize any of the light as well. Here just I will take the symbol and I will copy and paste in this directly in the pop-up. Double click, yes, this green color, you can change the color by we have lot of colors, and even in the if you click and change the color, because some of the properties in the Galaxy you cannot change the color directly because they already make a default. So you need to utilize that same. But if you are planning to see, if you double click, you have option here directly the Galaxy properties. Here you have a blink and value, default value. If you need to change, see, it's already mentioned the description also well. Light green when I turn on. When it is off, it will become red. There are many symbols you can utilize as per our convenient. Either you can utilize the rectangle symbol, or you can utilize the circle symbol, or same like a lamp symbol, etc. Once we added the symbol, otherwise see what I will do now, I will copy from the existing, I can utilize, or if you need, you can take one rectangle symbol and you can change. See, just click rectangle, select and add here, drag here and change the color, the rectangle color to green example, and click OK. See, this one as per our convenient, you can utilize the predefined symbols, or even you can utilize from the symbol factory or wizard, or you can draw from your side as well. In my case, just what I will do now, I will copy the existing, I will break the cell because it's having all the group. I am just ungroup that one, so I will break that cell, and I'm going to copy the symbol here from the left side and paste for the new one. In your case, you can add new one, no issue also. From the rectangle shape, you can utilize the rectangle shape itself. And if you see here, you have already, it is combined with another symbols. So I need to break first. Before that, there is option front and back, break, bring to front, bring to back, rotate, everything. There is options in the properties. I will copy that. There's two symbols. One is whenever the symbol, see, even you can utilize the same green color. I can change the property to red and green in the property when you are selecting the animation. It is possible also. So in my case, I am taking the symbol for the existing one. I am changing the color to show you how to make the animation. For that, just click that symbol which we selected in the previous project to here. So I am just selecting the symbol and drag and drop to this place, and if you double click, you can find the animation table, and there is already visibility is there in the symbol. Double click the visibility, I remove and I will again add. From this visibility, just I will click and I will add when it should be visible, this symbol. So for that, I am going to add a symbol. It will be, if you double click that expression, it will open directly to the tag name, tag name dictionary. From here, you can select which symbol you need. I am adding pump remote feedback, and I will just give OK. Okay, once you add it, whenever the pump remote signal feedback is coming here, it will be appear. Otherwise, the signal will disappear. So, and also I need to be for the back side, I am not giving anything because when it's disappear, it will show the back color. This is one way to add the animation. Okay, and other thing for this symbol, green symbol, green color one, I am giving send to bring to front, because then only it will be appear. Whenever you are not seeing also, it will be not appear. It will appear only the background color. Whenever the signal on, it will appear in front. So once we modify the signal, I'm just going to combine these two together. The existing the dummy signal, which it should be shown in the front, and also when it's appear, the dark one I will give in the front. So what I will do, I will select. See, you can find here in send to back or send to front. No? After that, you can align both together, select, and also you need to be select both the symbols. First, yeah, if you select both the symbols together and go to the animation property, from there you have option called make. See, just select both and go to the draw and as align the symbols as vertical or horizontal, then again go to the animation and make the symbol called a make. There is two make. One is make the graphics or make the cell. So in our case, if you make the graphics, it will not combine together. It will be separated. Separately, it will be make. So you need to go to the make cell, not make graphics. So once you double click, see now it will be both combined together. This is called make the cell or break the cell. Okay, once I click and if I give break, it will be change like ungroup. You can tell the group or ungroup the cells. So we added the one cell. Similarly, you can copy paste the same to the other also. Just once you make one time, you just copy and paste many times as well. After that, change the properties. So the property of the existing one, it will be looks like the same property and you can change only the tag names. See, just I am copy paste the symbol. Once you copy paste, change the symbol address. Example remote, auto, manual, run like that. Na? That is names. So first one I given the name called remote. And also after you select everything, you can assign like align either horizontal or vertical as per your convenient. Once you align, just I am copy paste the text. I am changing the text by right click and give the substitute string. I am first name I am planning to give the name called remote. Once you make the remote, I just copy paste the symbol again. Double Control C and press Control V for paste. After that, just change right click again the symbol and change the name to auto or manual. Same like the pop-up, the existing pop-up which they have. No? We are going to create similarly. So just right click and provide the name called auto space / manual. Once you enter, it will be appear and drag or drop the name. See, sometimes when you drag, be careful, the name will be dragged with big letters. So you need to be, when you drag, select properly and drag. See, now it is okay. Once you provide the name, auto, already first one we provide the name called pump remote, second one pump auto or manual. And now we are going to provide another name called run or running. Pump is running. So I just copy paste the symbols. Before that, I am planning to provide this strip and fail to run signal. For that, what I will do, we have see old, there is two symbols. So I will select the old. It will be appear in the background and front. It will be appear whenever the trip is appeared. So I just select the properties and provide bring to front. And if you need to check the property, double click the property of the symbol. Same like here. See, if you click the property, you can change directly from the symbol itself. Here pump underscore auto manual. Select, I need to select pump auto manual. Na? So just double click and change this pump SCADA auto. And it's appear. And similarly, I need to change this one to pump run. So select the pump run feedback. Once you selected the pump run feedback from the tag name dictionary, you can just add and close the symbol. add and close. So it will be appear directly with this. It will be linked with the animation table, like your what signals you are added. It will be automatically it will be display because you are giving visibility symbols. And some of the signals we can make a directly discrete. Either you can make a rectangle symbol. You can change the color. If it's on, it will give you green color. If it is off, it will give you red color also. It is possible. So there will be two way to make the signal on and off. And now I am just copying the and paste the names pump healthy, running, and also I will provide the name called trip and fail to run. Just enter the name, just copy paste and change the right click back, sorry, from the right click you can find substitute string and change the name of the property. And if you double click, see here I have the property here, and if you see you can add the properties. Once you finish all the property, we already make the status signal. Now I am going to add this push button symbol. You have again we have two options. I am going to select the easier one. It is in the Galaxy browser, and you can see you have you have all the push buttons. You have green, red, yellow, like that. So I am going to select first green, and you can arrange the size here either by drag, or if you select and change the properties in the right side of the property symbol, like property place. Before that, just I will copy paste the rectangle symbol. See, just I will arrange the rectangle symbol, and from here, and you, if you click, I am going to select again red button, push button, and properties. See, in the right side you can find you need to be at the same size, width and height. So I will provide 137 width, and height is 108 because I need to be matched with the first one. So we added the red, and we already added green, red, and now I am going to add yellow push button for acknowledge the trip. So from there also I will provide the same width and height. Once I added the property for the width and height, now we added the three push buttons, green, red and yellow. And for the daily run hours and this one, it's not required now for the total run hours in our case. If you need, you can add, and you can add the animation symbol directly for the run hour because you already created in the tag name dictionary. Now if you created, you can utilize the same run hour. It is integer or real value. You can add directly link with that. For our case now I am going to add the push button value. See, from here I can select pump on SCADA start command in the value, because this is a orchestra symbol. It will be differ from animation symbol. And if you click edit symbol, again you can find value. From the value, double click and you can find pump stop command. Similarly for the pump trip, select the value, default value is none, and double click and select the pump trip feedback, sorry, fault reset, pump fault reset. So once you selected this, almost we completed the same pop-up. Now I am going to add push a close button. Either I can make the close button directly from the rectangle symbol, or if you use the default, you have already the close button in the properties as well. See, you have the close button in the top of the pop-up. Otherwise, if you need to add the symbol, you can find from the symbol factory, or you can we can find from the wizard as well for the close. Otherwise, if I need to create new, just select the button or select the rectangle symbol, double click and add the rectangle symbol here in the top where we need to close. For that, just I am changing the background color. I will give example black or any color which as per your convenient. or you can provide the same color of your background of the pop-up. From here, you and after you add this color, see, just I will show you again with the button. Okay, and you substitute string, you can add the symbol here. You can give either the name called close, or you can give X. To X means it is close. Now, so I will just add, and you will change the symbol like little bit big by clicking there. And after that you have two options. Either you can hide the screen directly with your window name itself. If you select your window name hide screen, it will automatically close your screen. Otherwise you can go to the animation from the action table action, because here you need to write the action script. Okay, this one whenever you will click, it will come the last action which you taken before. So in this place you can give the name called hide self directly. If you provide the name called hide HIDESELF hide self, it will be closed automatically. Otherwise you have to give the property called hide the pop-up names, like the window name. Okay, so if you see, there is three options you can close. Otherwise you can utilize that directly with the fourth option in the property itself. See, if I see here in the pump, I can select. See here I did not select anything. After here I need to link the pop-up. No? For that I am going to use show, and I can give the Windows name directly. This means if I click the pump, it will directly link with the pop-up, and it will show you the pop-up screen directly. From here you can find the you can search the window name directly or copy paste. It is very easy. Or yeah, other option also available, like in the property itself, animation properties, you have show option. From there you can select the particular window to show up, but this is for script. For that just you need to be use this same like existing show, and you can give double quotation. See, you have option called show window, and you need to be make a double quotation and utilize use your window name here. Okay, and you see here you have lot of options in this. When you are clicking na window scripts, you can find, and also in the help you can find there is lot of options, and it can be utilized in your project in any time. So if I will show you example how I made previously. Just go up, and I will open another station here. See, you can find here, if you double click in the animation, you can find here in the action. See, show double quotation, provide the name, and close double quotation. Last you can give semicolon. If you need, you can copy that one, and you can utilize the same way here. Double click the Windows screen, and our name is window underscore 005. No? For that just go try again animation window script editor. From here you can either copy paste or enter the name, same name like show, open and close double quotation. Inside you can provide the name called window underscore 005. From this window, like if you open the double quotation, you cannot find anything. Otherwise you can add first. See, Windows 005, once you enter near to that, it will appear directly. After that just close, and now you connect your pop-up in our pump page directly. So whenever you are clicking now the pump, the particular windows will be pop-up will be opened, and you can make all your you can see all your animation for the pumps. Example, pump feedbacks, pump commands, and everything. If you need, you can save as the same pop-up, and you can utilize for the second pump and third pump, as like how many pumps you have, you can change the names. This is one way to make the pop-ups. If you need to use only one pop-up for hundreds or thousands of pumps, it is possible also. You just make a script function for that. You don't need to make 1000 functions. For that, this one it's like advanced level. Maybe now it is not required. In the future class videos I will make this one, because you can make one pump and I will make a scripting for the same pump, and it will be appear in 10 times or 100 times, because now in our case we have only 4 pumps. So I am making for easily for 4 pop-up, but I have 100 pumps. I cannot make 100 pop-up, correct? So I will make one pump pop-up. I will utilize the same one pump by scripting the names. Like example, I will give the name. If you click the pump one, it will by scripting, it will open for the first pump. Everything I need to be make by script. This one we can consider in the advanced level. So I will show you in the later stage that one. For the selector switch, I did not change the property before. I did not keep the property. No? So I am adding now the property for the pump. And if you select the pump, pump 2, I am providing the names SCADA auto. And for the second one, I will, for the manual, I will just give a double click manual and give SCADA manual. So I link the property for the selector switch as well. And for the close, I will just give itself. So we added all the functions now. I am going to save this application. Once you save the application, it will be ready to utilize in our project now. So we added all the properties for the pop-ups, and we make the copy paste of the same for the pump 1 and pump 2. And we also link with the pumps. Now for the first one we already linked, and second one also you can link, and you can after you link, you can it is ready to go to the runtime mode. Once you double click the runtime mode, you can see the complete SCADA screen is opened, and now we can verify the pump signal. See now if you click the pump 1, it will open the pump 1 pop-up, and you can see all the symbols here, like which is on and off, and you can verify everything, and also you can make a SCADA auto and manual by pop-up, and you can start and stop directly. It is ready to use in our project. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button. If you have any comments or any questions, kindly add in the comment section. If the video contents are useful, kindly share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.